I don't care about things I used to know. It's much harder now. Wanna grasp it with words, but it's hard to understand. I just wanna do it, but can't do it, no. The yellow light, but it bruises my eyes. I wish I would prepare for the worst, but still be the first. I think I should. The yellow light, but it bruises my eyes. I wish I would prepare for the worst, but still be the first. I think I should. I think I should. Looking up at the peak, but it's never been so steep. Let's try to make it now.
Good morning from the Amazon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Indigo, which means
I know it's been done, but it's hard to understand. I just wanna do it.
pigs keep attacking them.
No, I wish I
I'm
could
addicted to carbohydrates.
make the yellow light, but it bruises my eyes. I wish I would prepare for the worst, but still be the first. I think I should make the yellow light, but it bruises my eyes. I wish I would prepare for the worst, but still be the first. I think I should. I think I should.
Hello and welcome. This is the... Well, it's... Hello YouTubers, it's me Kareem, and I'm talking to you from the Amazon. I got something for you today. So after 10 years in the Amazon that I'm completing in December, and I'm from Moscow, Russia, for those who don't know yet. After having done a whole bunch of stuff like guiding and
working in the fishing market and organizing all kinds of expeditions and teaching languages, French, English, and even Russian and Spanish.
2,000 years later.
looks pretty obvious, I will start the YouTube channel. And it will be the most confusing YouTube channel you've ever seen in your life. This YouTube channel will be devoted to rare hardwoods. And it's a company that belongs to the first person I met in the Amazon when I just landed here in the town of Santarém. Right now I'm at his sawmill called Zero Impact Brazil here in Santarém in the neighborhood of Maracanã. These guys are playing volleyball after a week of work on a timber frame that we're showing you in a minute. And we're in fact going to mix environmentally conscious with the content about logging and sawing hardwoods and harvesting 200-year-old trees. And there will be a lot to explain you why this is happening and why there is no controversy and all that. So if you follow me for a second, of course we'll be editing this video a little bit later, but I'm really bad at editing and I'm pretty lazy, so you will have to watch this raw, but watch it till the end. Right now we're looking at the workshop where my friend Rick Pate from Traverse City, Michigan, keeps getting confusing, right? Just working on the pieces like this, which are for wood turners. They will probably make pans or whatever they're gonna make out of this, made of precious wood. So the guys work with a very wide range of products that go from timber frames like that one, which is huge, made made of all growth timber to small stuff like this. Now they're harvested from what is left over by huge logging companies and sometimes dine that and down. This is the 3D program that Rick has been talking about. And there is Rick right there. Working on some. But it has been hard work. It's been how many? 30 years that you've been working with this already? It's been going around bauxite mines and
We have a storm coming.
and we have a storm coming. There is a lot going on, you know, it's a complete mess. But I said it was going to be confusing, it was going to be. That's what it takes when you live in the Amazon rainforest. And speaking of rainforest, believe it or not, we are responsible for the Rainforest Expansion YouTube channel and the Instagram page and the campaign on Indiegogo. So yes, we are the people that work with logging business, and at the same time we're promoting a campaign to save the rainforest. Tomorrow we're going to Rick's 766 hectare rainforest, private rainforest reserve that he purchased in 2003 to save that piece of forest from turning into a soy field or a cornfield or a cattle range. Rick's new passion, the old Toyota Banderancha trucks. You know, we're gonna take a wooden sink base out there. There is a lot to do. You know, so after I threw you these tons of confusing information in your face, subscribe for our channel, follow Rare Hardwoods, follow Rainforest Expansion, and in the meantime you will be getting a mix of all kind of videos that will be telling you the life of people that are riding around the whole of the Amazon basin, trying to get precious wood not to be wasted, and in our effort to save the rainforest, biodiversity, wildlife, and community sustainability. You know, make people that live in the Amazon make their money and be happy.